Hello and welcome. Let's quickly go through how to create a Facebook page. It's quite easy. Click on this three line here, then click on pages here, then scroll up, click on create here. It's as easy as that. Get started. Let's just give it a name: importation business. Next, then what you need to do now is to select a category for it. Let me just select this. You can just type in anything you want and it will bring the categories that best suits what is it called, what you selected. You understand? So let's see, this is it. Okay, let's select this, and then next, once you click on next, it will ask you for address. I don't want to give it, so I select this. Next, I select this. Next, then give it a profile pics if you want to, but I don't want to now, so just click on done, and voila, that's all. We're done with creating a Facebook business page. So thank you and see you on the